Bourbonnais is a community. We're situated about 60 miles south of the city of Chicago. Well, Aqua's always been involved with just about everything we have going on here. And it seems like anytime we're doing an event or looking for a business sponsor, they're always there to help. They handled the water system here and did a great job doing that. It seemed like that they were very interested in being a bigger part of our community than just serving water. They wanted to do our sewer system also. Prior to the sale of our sewer system to Aqua, Illinois, the village was just having struggles keeping up with the deferred maintenance and things that needed to go on with the sanitary sewer system here. They came up with the initial plan and we continued to work through that plan, and they were extremely good about working through the nuts and bolts of the thing to where everybody felt comfortable with the transition. Of course, they had to go through the ICC to even purchase us in the first place, so there was some state involvement that they had to give an okay to it. So you had a separate set of eyes that took a look at this plan. Sanitary sewer is very important to all the residents. With Aqua, they're committed to putting $9 million into our system over the next 10 years, and it makes that system a lot more dependable. When you've got a professional company that's in that business all over the country, they have the expertise in-house, and they get it done in a timely order so that all the regulatory agencies are happy with the system. With the sale of the system, we were able to pay off debt that we had on our sanitary sewer. We were able to invest that, and we're using the interest off of that money to do infrastructure projects throughout the community as far as roads, streets, sidewalks, curbs, parks. Part of doing our economic development, especially at our new interchange, which took us 18 years to get, once we did get it, it was all farm fields, and it needed utilities there for development to happen. And now we're able to have new businesses come in, which obviously adds to our tax base, dramatically adds to our sales tax, provides employment, shopping opportunities. We're getting ready to start a $20 million campus improvement around Village Hall with basically an entertainment venue with splash pad and playground equipment. They're just a really great partner as far as the community and doing business with.